Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Crafty Grandma Gina. This is our Craft Time Chronicles number 5. And there's a lot of tutorials this week. I'm going to let you know about a bunch of them. On the Hook Crochet has her 11K and it ends today. So if you didn't get in, get over there before she puts her video out. Charm Grammy Crochet's winner for her 3K. Haven't heard that she's come forward. Please, if you entered in her giveaway, go check and see if you're the winner. Pamela's Adoring Crochet has reached her 15K. Let's go congratulate her. Rose Likes Crochet had a great live last Saturday. You should go check it out. It was a lot of fun. She had tons of special guests. She's got yarn too. Showed us a little yarn haul and took her dogs to the vet. It was entertaining. Go check it out. Paw Ply Guy Daniel dyed some yarn with us. It was very good. Caraway Crochet put out a tutorial for fingerless gloves. Infinity Crafting gave us a tutorial on the rice stitch. Dakota Land Crochet and Knitting made a beautiful snowflake tutorial. It'd be a great one to put on your tree. Rich Textures Crochet showed us how to do the herringbone stitch. Tuba Arslan shows us how to make the 3D starfield blanket. Stitching Ain't Easy does number 9 of Going Down the Rabbit Hole. Jewelry and Crochet Items put out a tutorial for fingerless gloves that are very lacy. Zill's Creations showed us how to make ornaments crochet over balls for ornaments. Amanda's Crochet put out a striped blanket tutorial. Dream 9 Design Crochet did a tutorial for crocheted, Tunisian crocheted coasters. They are very pretty. Cindy Moulter shows us her Mary Maxim club kit. TCD DIY put out 2 sweaters this week, a V-neck and a bat wing, and I've already started the bat wing. It's very pretty. I'll show it to you in my video coming up. Cozy Crochet Blanket put out an easy blanket tutorial. It's really pretty, but it's another easy baby blanket. Everybody names them easy. Come on, people, let's be a little more creative on naming your blankets. When we type in easy blanket, we get 100. And it's hard for us to keep track of which one we wanted to go back to. Crocheting with Elena put out a tutorial for a peekaboo blanket. Crochet for Baby did a baby beanie tutorial. And there's one to go look when you need a baby item. She has lots of beautiful baby crochet. The Proper Pineapple moved back to Michigan and is making videos again. Let's go welcome her back. Yarn Geek Ginger, she put out a cowl tutorial this week. And Steals the Show Crochet and Chefs took us shopping at Michael's. Go check it out. Kenyatta Creates, our Christmas in July fairy winner. She has some FOs, some whips, and some Happy Mail. Crystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady, is having her 700 subscriber giveaway. Candid Crochet does a Granny Square top tutorial. It's cute. You should go see it. Jewelry and Crochet Items does a beautiful little dress that she calls a frock. It is gorgeous. If you have a baby girl that you need to make stuff for, it's very, very pretty. It'll be the top on my list. The Crochet Crowd put out the rows 11 through 19 of Study the Journey. Repeat After Me did some Christmas coasters. Creations by Jax. Hashtag hat not hate. Hashtag blue hats for Jax 2022. Still making blue hats. Let's get them going. We're starting on next year. Mama Swift did her weekly Saturday live. And this week we're visiting Kim at Affordably Crafty to win another Furls. It's black and white. I think it's called Cookies and Cream or something like that. It's really cool. Go check it out. Crystal and Eric on the Bod Life open a bunch more unique Christmas items made by us. Sharon's Crochet Corner, get a hold of her if you want to join the Zoom. It's a lot of fun in Zoom. You meet a lot of people. You have a lot of fun. We laugh and laugh and laugh. Crojo Addict makes a crisscross sweater tutorial that's really pretty, and it's free on her website. Go check her out. Freeze Baby Fiber Frolic is back after 6 months. She did a live the other day. Crafty Yarn Isle with Darla. She did the sparkly Christmas shoulder wrap tutorial. And the Crochet Cat Crowd put out another tutorial of a Christmas tree skirt. And Jan Creason, this is I'm throwing this in here because it's that time of the year, shows us how to make a cherry cheesecake dump cake. It looks so yummy. And then we have the Plenty of Fish in the Sea Amigurumi book by Stringy Ding Ding is being given away by Pamela's Adoring Crochet, Llama Mama Kayla, The Crocheting House Mouse, and No Catchy Name. They all go through the book, show some of the stuff they made out of it, and they're giving one away. We have some struggling channels still. Yorkshire Yarn Fest, Spring the Fiber Enthusiast, Chandler Baker, Jonah's Crochet Journey, Crochet Cats and More, Linda Waddle, and Alaska Crafter, Elaine Brown, Fostering Crochet by Amber Allen, Judy's Creations in Crochet, East Coast Stitcher, Emma Loves to Crochet, My 21 Cents, Stitched by Emma, Randa's Crochet, Crafting Adventures with Amy, Julia Fost, My Own Utopia, and Who Knows. The podcast schedules have not changed from last week, so I'm not going to read those to you again. There's no new Cal's, Mal's, tags, or anything going around. And go check out Crochet Rocks and her channels. That'll be all for this week. If you have any information, please email me at the email enclosed below. And we'll see you next week. Thanks so much for watching.